Hello guys, today I'll be showing you the best and the fastest way to search on Windows PC than your default search option on Windows Explorer, and I'm really gonna prove it to you. Going to this PC, on search typing a song name called Channameria, and searching it. The search is started. And in the meantime, I'm going to a software, also typing the name Channameria. Okay. And as you can see, just less than a simple second, it's done in the software and all the results are there. And the file is this I'm searching for. But the search on the Windows Explorer is still going on. Both are on the same PC. Okay, both searches happened in the same PC. So the search result it brought is most probably 90 times faster than the Explorer system. Okay. And again, I'm going to the search for PSD file called CMD folders, tapping it on Explorer and search. Also typing it in the software. Okay, the file is there, but the search in Explorer could not even get to it. It's really ridiculous. But the software is working like a super pro, super pro. And lastly, I'm going to search for a movie called Hitman, searching it on Explorer. And on this software too. Yes, the file is this. Okay, I got the incorrect name. There's no space between hit and man. I'm gonna remove the space from both the search boxes. This is working and working. Here I'm typing Hitman. Okay, now the exact search. Now let's see how to get it. Go to Google Chrome and on Google type search everything. Okay, search everything. Go to Void Tools. This is software and download it. It's only 1.63 MB in size. It's a tiny software but so powerful. And then simply install it. And I have installed in my system it earlier, and now enjoy. And now enjoy 90 times faster search on your PC. Trust me, once installed, you will thank me forever for this search companion, this totally free and safe software. And I hope you will like this video, and please hit the like button, share experiences, suggestions, and subscribe to Joseph IT. If you have any better software than this, then please let me know on the comment box. Hope to see you in the next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.